All right, hello everyone, and welcome to our training video for the Moorpark Reporter. This is on how to use Camayak, which is our content management system that we use for publishing and storing all of our awesome news stories. So, Camayak is something that we've been using for at least the last 5 years. It's an incredibly useful tool for a digitally online newspaper. So how we use it, we use the calendar as well as the opportunity to include photo and assignments, not assignments, actually news stories that our staff writers will pitch, and the pitch, if it gets accepted, will turn into another chance for them to pitch an assignment news story, and they will do a new story, and then that will as they build that up and then submit it, it gets sent to their editor. The editor will review it, either send back edits, and then clear it, and then it'll go to our higher editor, managing editor, and that same process happens again until it gets to our editor-in-chief, and then the editor-in-chief gives a final look over it and publishes it. So what we like to do too is keep a calendar kind of going of all of our up-and-coming publishing kind of deadline, so that we know when a story is due and how that fits in. Oftentimes we'll try to coordinate that, especially in advance, as well as trying to get a new story out of like a weekend show or a game, possibly by that Sunday. So all right, so let's move on here. So when you submit your pitch to editors, you're going to pitch, and then this one will be the designated desk. If it's a sports story, you want to make sure you pitch it to sports, and likewise for your different departments. You're going to describe what your story is about. This is where you really want to make sure that you're including just key phrases or terms that are useful for news coverage right now. So if it's fall, think of something that your editor is going to be looking for based on the department that you're pitching it to, whether that's sports or government for elections, or perhaps student life in regards to holidays coming up. Then you're going to explain why this is newsworthy. So you're going to go back to your quality of news that you learned or you're learning in MO2 that talks about just what makes a news story. Is it timely? Is it unique? Does it have just this certain element that reflects back? Is it national news localized? Does it have a celebrity factor? What makes it news? So you want to make sure you include that. Then you also want to make sure that you have a chance to show how this story will be illustrated. So that's either you have booked a photographer, you are the photographer, you have a videographer, or you're doing it yourself, or sometimes we'll have polls or some sort of graphics involved. So make sure you're clear on that. The more information, the likelier chance your pitch is going to get picked up by your editors in order to get covered. All right, so here's our next one. This is a video on creating your first assignment that Camayak has done. So they will give us kind of a run through. Now, assignment also means news story, so just so we're clear here. There's the assignment. So same thing, here's a slug. So this just gives a little bit more information. So car insurance for new drivers, that's how it is. You're going to paste your instructions. So this would be if we're a compensated newspaper, which we're not at the moment, but that would be an option for, hey, this would be an editor then, say, creating an assignment that a freelance writer could pick up, right? So it's really good to learn Camayak because you could even use it professionally. So this is where they've actually selected an editor. So when we do these assignments, they're a little different because you're going to be creating them as a staff writer. So you're going to create the assignment, same idea, and then when you hit submit, you're going to just be assigning it to a desk, and you'll have an editor that will be assigned to that desk that will help you with that. And then the desk editor or your editor will actually create the due date as well. So that it's just a viable option for not only your ability to cover it, but also it's timely to when the event or the news is actually happening. So thank you, Camayak. Oh. All right, so here is an actual news story that was published in April. This is by Shabano, desk editor, now managing editor. So she wrote out the title And then she has her whole news story down here. If I was to scroll down, this is a screenshot, you'd be able to see the lovely 10 photos that are added. This was submitted, and she has her categories that she put in. She has tags that she put in. We'll go into that. That's more of like an editor thing. But what I want to show you here, though, is the kind of totem pole of editors. So it'll go from one to another, possibly back and forth until all the edits get completed. Now, when an editor sends you back your story and has edits, you're going to see them. And the biggest thing that you can do is take a deep breath and just complete them. Because if you have any questions, then definitely ask if you want to contest something. But for the most part, our editors are going to be incredibly strict with AP style and grammar. So those are the biggest things they're going to be looking for. They want to make sure that the story flows, and you learn that again from your MO2 course, that you want to make sure that your story, when it, read it out loud before you submit it. It should make sense. It should be incredibly gripping and a wonderful read, and something that you could see our audience reading and enjoying and picking, selecting it on our news page, something that they want to read. So keep that in mind. When you create a photo assignment, so you're going to say the word count, and that actually just means like the captions. So instructions to complete it would also be kind of an expanded version of the captions. So the word count is going to be actual word count, then you can put the captions here, and you'll connect it to whatever assignment it is. Unless your desk editor is then creating it, and then it would be they're going to give it what they need it for, and then we could have a contributor or a photographer pick these up. But this would be just incredibly detailed, because we want to be able to know. So say there's like 10 soccer games going on. We want to make sure what soccer game it is, when we need photos, what these photos are going to be, who we need covered, and so forth. So finally, when we get on a roll and we have as much as we need in regards to coverage, this is kind of what our calendar is we're shooting to look like. Obviously, we'd love Sunday, Monday, and Thursday filled a little bit more often, but the idea is that we were getting two stories or so published a day, and we were trying to keep about 4 or 5 days of full publishing. So it's a great tool for our newsroom, our digital newsroom. Many of you are enjoying the option to Zoom or just kind of work virtually with your editors. It's great to come in our newsroom too, but we wanted to make sure that our platform, our content managing platform, meets the look and the feel of how we're going about our newsroom and dealing with our edits and dealing with just everything that we're working towards. So Camayak is great. Again, if you've noted from the videos, this is something that you can use too professionally when you start freelancing or when you get on with a paper publication. So definitely want to learn the ins and outs of this incredible tool. So if you guys have any questions, please ask myself or your editors, and we will be happy to help you and guide you. I did want to note too, down here, we'll show you kind of steps that you need to take, anything that you've not done, as you start building your account. So down here it says how to with a 1. So if I select that, it's going to probably say create an assignment, because I haven't actually pitched an assignment on here as I'm admin, but it is incredibly helpful, and everyone's willing to help you on this website, because they want to see work done. So okay, best of luck to you all. I'm excited to see your stories as we get going in this semester, and I will see you at our next meeting.